Welcome to AI Machine Mind, where we bring insight, information, and explore the vast world of AI. We will explore the history and the benefits of AI and how it will affect the world in the future. This channel is geared towards those who share a passion, would like to keep up and learn more about artificial intelligence. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment. The history of artificial intelligence, AI, dates back to the mid-20th century. The field of AI originated from the work of a group of researchers, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky and others, who held the first AI conference at Dartmouth College, in 1956. The term artificial intelligence was coined at the conference to describe the field of study concerned with creating machines that can perform tasks that require human intelligence. In the years that followed, AI researchers developed a variety of techniques and approaches to create intelligent machines. These included symbolic reasoning, which used logic and rules to perform tasks, and machine learning, which focused on teaching computers to learn from data. The field of AI experienced a resurgence in the early 21st century, thanks in part to advances in machine learning and the availability of large datasets for training intelligent systems. Today, AI is used in a wide range of applications, from speech recognition, image classification, autonomous vehicles, and medical diagnosis. Despite its rapid progress, AI remains a complex and challenging field of study, with many open questions and areas for exploration. Researchers continue to work on creating intelligent machines that can reason, learn, and interact with humans in increasingly sophisticated ways. Did you know? AI will become smarter than humans? AI can learn anything quickly, meaning its intelligence is increasing. In 2013, AI had the same intelligence as a 4-year-old. By 2029, AI will have the same intelligence level as adult humans. Did you know? Humans can develop romantic relationships with AI? David Levy, a student in this field, believes that marriage between humans and robots will be made legal by the year 2050. Did you know? AI will recognize people by voice? By the end of 2018, it was expected that robotic assistants would be able to carry out voice recognition. Today, voice recognition is incorporated in current technological systems. The primary purpose of artificial intelligence is for humans or businesses to have a machine that thinks faster and more efficiently. There is so much to learn about in the artificial intelligence world, and we here at Mind Machine will keep you up to date with the latest AI advancements. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for everything AI.